Okay, let's take a look at what's coming up on the conference timetable today. The day's keynote is in the auditorium, and it's about stereoscopic 3D. This session will look at the range of equipment on offer, but it'll also address viewing problems that arise when things are done badly. That's at 9:30. Meanwhile, in the forum, Russia comes under the spotlight. The country's broadcast industry has a thriving community of technology innovators and content creators. 6 leading Russians will be talking about recent developments there. Then at 11:30, the topic shifts to mobile TV. With ever more people viewing content on their phones and laptops, how will broadcasters make the most of the new media? Telecoms operators around the world have been getting on the pay TV bandwagon. What does this mean for broadcasters? That's the topic for the first morning session in room E105-7, starting at 9:30. In the afternoon, managing change. New workflows and equipment can bring resistance from those who have to use them. How should managers deal with this? And the business theme continues with a look at project management. As we all know, new technology projects are often marred by niggling problems. This session examines why so many of these go wrong. And the last business session looks at system planning. When equipment comes from a range of manufacturers, there are often problems with compatibility. Careful planning can avoid this. All these sessions are in rooms E105-7. You're watching IBC TV News from the RAI Centre in Amsterdam. Now it's time to look at some of the most attention-grabbing products at this year's show. Our reporter Rajiv Popat has been out and about around the halls, and here's his choice of IBC eye-catchers.
This could be every reporter's dream. An iPhone that doubles up as an auto prompt. Perfect if you're out on location. Brian Larter is the man behind this invention. How does it work?
Well, it can be linked back into your newsroom system. You literally have a controller here, connects to the 30-way port on the iPhone or iTouch, and you have the total flexibility to control the prompt yourself.
The downside is you can't actually change the script in real time.
So you literally have to take, either the iTouch or the iPhone off, quickly do a change and put it back on. But we are looking at ways of doing it so that you can do a transfer during, a piece of the camera via Wi-Fi.
And take a look at this chap who looks like he's stuck in a time warp. Steve Foro is fed up with his black and white TVs and analog antenna and has come to IBC for an upgrade. Despite his old-fashioned look, he's not short of fans. Another useful tool for reporters is a bit of software called Mobile to Air. Reporters can use an app on their iPhone to send footage of breaking news stories back to the newsroom. You can already do that, you may say. The beauty here is that you can send unlimited data in high definition. Most news organisations use satellite trucks or laptops to send material back to base, but the Mobile to Air application enables you to record and upload video from anywhere in the world.
So the second the clip comes in, I have instant access. I can preview the clip. I can go ahead and add that to the playlist. Switch over here, queue it up, and play straight to air.
The way weather presenters tell us about cold fronts and warm fronts looks set to change with this on-screen technology. Graham Garson is from Meteo Group. This is designed to make it easier for weather presenters to get the information across, isn't it?
Yes, it's basically a touch screen with a whole lot of information behind it. So I can add, for example, a high or a low. I can add a cold front. It's a grid with real-time information. The information is constantly coming into the system, and the presenter can add any information to augment the weather show at any time.
And the good news is we can expect sunny spells in Amsterdam over the next few days.
Well, that's good news then. Now, every year IBC recognises the top achievers in the world of film and broadcast, and also the smaller triumphs of those who make it all happen. Well, last night's awards ceremony brought together people from all parts of the industry, as Graham Bowd reports.
Stars of the screen make their fame through film and television, but for every well-known face there are hundreds of stars behind the scenes. Last night IBC awards ceremony recognised people who've made an outstanding contribution to broadcasting, like this team from TV Globo of Brazil who ran a campaign against river pollution. But this year's top prizes went to the innovators of sports coverage. FIFA and its broadcast partners took just 6 months to organise 3D coverage of the World Cup. On the team were broadcaster ESPN, HBS and Sony. They won the Judges' Prize presented by IBC Chief Executive Officer Michael Crimp.
We see now potentially a further development of 3D thanks to the tournament. We are very happy that we were chosen to get something here.
IBC's top award, the International Honour for Excellence, went to Manolo Romero. The head of Olympic Broadcast Services has been involved with every game since 1968.
I am honoured to accept this award, but I would like to dedicate it to all the friends and colleagues who have worked together with us during the years. Thank you.
The night ended with pictures we can't show you as the audience watched a trailer for the upcoming film Tron Legacy. The director's cut of Avatar will be on the IBC big screen tonight.
Last night's award ceremony here at IBC. Well, that's all we have for now. We'll be back at the same time tomorrow for the last programme of this year's show. Do join us then.
Amsterdam will start cloudy with patchy rain and drizzle. Later in the day there will be sunny spells. But by the evening the cloud and rain will return. And here's the outlook for the week ahead.